Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you this beautiful halo eye makeup tutorial. Let's begin. So I'm going to start by taking two different shades of yellow from the palette and I'm going to buff it around my crease line on the eyelid. And then I'm going to pick up a matte warm brown eyeshadow from the palette and I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eyelid. And also applying the same color on the inner corner as well. Then to intensify it more, I'm picking up these two colors. And then with the help of a clean brush, I'm going to join both the corners like so. And now perhaps you're watching the most easiest and convenient trick of doing a cut crease, and this is beginner friendly too. And then I'm going to take two different shimmer shades from the palette and I'm going to apply it on my center part of the eyelid where I have done the cut crease. After this, I have tight lined my lower lash line with the help of a kajal and then took these two different eyeshadows from the palette, brown eyeshadow of course, and buff it around my lower lash line, and then I have highlighted my inner corner with the help of a highlighter and I have started doing a wing eyeliner like so. Generally I do my inner corners off camera, but in this tutorial I decided to show it to you how I do it. And then I've added some glitter to the center part of my eyelid. This is optional. If you want, you can skip this part. And then I've curled my eyelashes and applied some mascara to add some volume, and that's pretty much it. I absolutely loved how this look turned out. If you also like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button as it would mean absolute world to me. Also, I would like to request you to share my videos with your friends and families, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.